this one.
Do you want to do wheels on the bus?
Yeah.
Go ahead. Whichever one you want to do.
Well, really,
Put it up to your mouth.
He knows his ABCs.
Put it up to your mouth.
No more monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off the
Put it up to your
Hold
mouth.
the mic up to your mouth.
Mama told doctor said no more monkeys jumping on the bed.
Yeah. Keep going.
One, two, jumping on the bed. One fell off the bumped his head. Mama called doctor said no more monkeys jumping on the bed. More monkey jumping on the bed. One monkey fell off and doctor said no more monkey jumping on the bed.
Woo!